So the Infinix Zero 5G will be Infinix's first 5G device, and in this video I'll be giving you a bunch of things you should expect from this device. I am Tayo. I make tech content like this on this channel, so subscribe if you want more content like this. And with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Here is what it looks like, and to me it looks a lot like the Oppo Find X3 Pro. I mean, they have literally the same camera bump with the sloping design. It will be made out of plastic because this is a budget device obviously, and it will start at the price of $250 to $260, and this is based on my own predictions. You'll be getting a 6.6-inch 1080p display capable of 120Hz refresh rate, and on top of the display we get a hole punch style cutout housing the 16-megapixel selfie camera, and by the sides we get two LED flash, which is typical of Infinix for your indoor surface or whatnot. This device will run on the MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM and probably 128GB of storage. Now, this device is basically Infinix version of the Tecno 5G. I mean, it's quite expected since their specs are the same and since they are under the same parent company called Transsion Holdings or something like that. By the way, I made a video on the Tecno 5G, link to the video in the iCard. I will also give it a watch and compare these devices while you are at it. And yeah, there are no benchmark scores for these devices yet, but I'll be giving you the benchmark scores of the processor so you can get an idea of what this device will be able to do. And as you can see, it's not flagship level, neither is it mid-range or flagship level, but for this price I'm sure this would satisfy you. We should be getting a triple camera setup consisting of a 48-megapixel main camera and two other cameras, probably a telephoto and an ultra wide, or a macro and depth. I wish it's the telephoto and ultra wide, but we'll see. And all this powered by 5000 mAh battery capable of 30 watts fast charging, and yes, we'll be getting USB Type-C. I mean, that should be a constant now. No device should give us micro USB, and once again, maybe ITEL, but still USB Type-C all the way. And yeah, take this video with a grain of salt since this device isn't available for purchase yet, but it should be towards the end of this month, that is January, and probably beginning of next month, that is February. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section below. Which features would you like to see on this device? Predict the price in the comment section as well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well, or follow, like, do all those crazy YouTuber stuff that they ask you to do. And yeah, thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.